Looking for a reliable cloud storage solution? Jaya Cloud promises secure, unlimited storage with easy access, but how does it perform in real life? Here's my experience. Jaya Cloud offers unlimited storage for a monthly fee with apps for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS. Uploading files is straightforward, and the sync feature keeps everything updated across devices. Security is solid, with end-to-end encryption ensuring your files remain private. The interface is clean and easy to navigate. You can organize files into folders, share links, and manage permissions. Their desktop app allows automatic backup of documents, photos, and media, which is convenient for both personal and business use. Most people get this wrong. Unlimited storage doesn't always mean unlimited speed. Upload and download speeds depend on your internet connection, and sometimes Jada Cloud servers, which can be slower than larger providers like Google Drive or Dropbox. Customer support is responsive, and the FAQ section is comprehensive. Pricing is competitive, especially for unlimited personal storage. Business plans offer additional features like team folders and admin controls, making it suitable for small businesses. In conclusion, Jaya Cloud is a strong option for anyone looking for secure, unlimited storage with easy device syncing. It's particularly good for personal use and small teams, but if speed is critical, you might want to test it first. Subscribe for more cloud storage reviews and insights to find the right solution for your data.